Hey there, hey there. So this is for my sound effects app, or the sound effects portion of the app. So what I did is I added a sound effect to the login screen from the previous one that you had us upload. And then with this one, I added two more, but instead of adding sound effects, I added two videos. And I'll go ahead and show you. And I'm definitely going to keep working on this more. The only issue I had was I couldn't get the videos to pause and play, but I know that it probably wouldn't be too hard. It's gonna take a little extra digging into. So that's my first sound effect right here. I don't want to play it because it's just gonna keep playing, but I'll show you the extra two sound effects that I added. So this is the first one. I added a video for system of
Hi
equations.
everyone, thank you so much for joining me on this video today where we're going to solve a system of equations using all three methods.
And this is the issue I was having,
graphing,
like,
substitution, and elimination. And we're going to see something very special happens with the solutions. Given the system right here
mute button to mute the video
of x plus y equals 4, a nice equation that's in standard form.
Because it won't stop playing if I play the other video, but I'll go ahead and reload it again. And here is the second video for quadratic equations.
In this video, we're going to focus on solving quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. So let's go ahead and begin. Let's say if we have the expression.
And this right here goes through like a whole 2-3 minutes of the video, but once again, I couldn't get the pause button to stop it or the mute button to mute it. So I know it's just going to take a little extra tweaking, but yeah, so those are my extra sound effects. And yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day.